Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to review Freecash app. Most importantly, how to get referral code on Freecash app. Don't forget that Freecash is a website that offers various ways to earn money online. And I'm going to give you a breakdown of how it works and what you can expect. Freecash works by completing offers. Freecash partners with companies that want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products. Users earn coins by completing tasks like downloading and trying out apps, signing up for websites, taking surveys, watching videos, and completing in-app offers. Freecash also works by earning coins. The number of coins earned varies depending on the task difficulty. Next is redeeming rewards. Once you've accumulated enough coins, you can redeem them for various rewards, including PayPal Cash, Bitcoin, gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Steam, and Google Play, and other cryptocurrencies. Freecash is generally considered a legitimate platform. The amount you can earn depends on your efforts and the availability of offers. Some users report earning a decent side income, while others find it more challenging. Completing offers takes time. Some tasks are quick, while others require more significant effort. Then Freecash has a referral program where you can earn extra coins by inviting friends to join. Freecash can be a viable option for earning some extra cash online, especially if you have some free time and you enjoy completing simple tasks. However, it is essential to manage your expectations and not expect to get rich quickly. This referral program is what we're going to talk about. So always do your research and understand the risks involved before participating in any online any opportunity. Now, how can you get your Freecash referral code? 4 simple steps to take. Log into your Freecash account, click on your profile icon, look for Invite Friends section or Referral section. Click on it to reveal your unique referral code. You can then share this code with your friends to earn rewards when they sign up and complete certain actions on Freecash. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.